one of Nepal's most iconic peaks nestled in the heart of the Himalayas. Standing at 6,119 meters, Lobuche is a perfect stepping stone for aspiring mountaineers. Introducing Elite Exped's bespoke training program designed for novice climbers. Tailored to those taking their first steps into the world of high-altitude mountaineering, this program combines physical endurance, technical skills, and mental preparation to equip climbers for the challenges ahead. This is a journey through stunning landscapes and witness how determination and the right training can turn dreams of summiting into reality. The journey begins in the vibrant capital of Nepal, Kathmandu. The adventure starts here, but the real challenge and reward awaits on the mountain.
Weight should be about 5 to 8 kilos. Even when you go for the summit as well, your day sack should weigh about the same.
5% of everything comes to the foundation to support these projects. That you being here today is supporting some of the work that I'm doing with the team around us. So just a massive thank you.
A ribeye. Let's go, baby.
Finally? Yeah.
We're here, no sleep, very tired.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Happy to be here. We're blessed to be alive. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, they're going to spot this.
6,200 meters.
6,119.
6119.
Yeah.
That's high.
When you've said it.
Welcome to Nepal.
So we arrived at Lobuche. We've been super lucky with the 6 of us together. We've gelled really, really well. I'm the dad of the group, looking after the siblings, the youngsters, making sure they're okay.
Still hungry for more miles? More elevation, baby?
So time for lunch, yeah?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Group all gets on so well, and we've had such a laugh together. From day one, we've all bonded as close friends, and I think that that's going to make a big difference to the upcoming climb as well.
If you hadn't have said that, are we ready for day 2?
Yeah. Let's go to Namche.
Woohoo, Namche!
Jam jam! Let's go! Let's go!
Namaste.
Breathe, and then the deep thaw, like that. I guess the ultimate. This is Nancy. We stop there 2 nights. That we are taking this way, if you see here. And we'll go for the hike here on the ledge.
The trek from Lukla to Namche is actually really fun. First of all, like getting to know the rest of the team, getting a first glimpse at the scenery, and also starting to feel a bit of the altitude.
Can I get you?
Welcome to Namche.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I love life and I aspire to reach higher peaks. And I guess what drove me to do that is just a desire to feel awe and to appreciate the beauty of the world. And Elite Expeditions helps you do that. And they've helped me come and experience these amazing people. But I guess I'm excited for the future, first and foremost. And I look forward to coming back to the Nepalese people. I love Nepal. It's so awesome.
I've always liked hiking, but yeah, I wanted to try something else, like real proper mountain climbing and high altitude especially. So I thought the next step would be to go to Nepal, and Lobuche seemed to be like the perfect expedition to do that, because we would climb 6,000 meters peak, but also have proper climbing training, and just doing the trek to Everest Base Camp was also one of my dreams. So yeah, it was the perfect combo.
The trek to base camp is going excellent at the moment. Everyone's in really good shape. I'm doing the Lobuche East Peak so that I can climb Manaslu and Everest in the future, as it's just something that excites me, and I think it's really cool to learn about the Nepalese culture and the Sherpas and everything. And until now it's been an eye-opener on how the people of Nepal, and especially up in the mountains, how they live and how they earn money.
Good to see you. You look great today.
That is unreal, that. Honestly, I cannot believe that. The Nepalese people, strongest in the world, I think.
The scenery on the trek is just, it's out of this world. Around every single corner, there's something new and incredible to look at when you're trekking in. And the mountains here in the Himalayas, it's unlike anything I've seen before. They tower over you, and every single view is just so impressive.
I came here to Everest Base Camp on a trek with a friend last year and just fell in love with the mountains, and it's just lured me in, and having seen 14 peaks has driven me to want to be climbing more stuff. So I'm here to attempt Lobuche East, and then hopefully next year, if all goes well, try some higher ones. We've had a great first 4 days. Now at Dingboche, on our way up, got acclimatization here. It's been amazing. We've been super lucky with the weather, the conditions. It's amazing, absolutely perfect. Couldn't ask for more.
Happy birthday to Kaka. Happy birthday to you.
Oh.
Thank you. When they older.
So the special birthday then?
Yep. Yeah.
Nepal and then in the
best
mountain?
birthday ever.
Yeah.
Spend it here. It is.
I really have no expectations of what it's going to look like. I haven't even seen photos. I'm just stoked to experience it and learn from the best.
I'm excited. I can't wait to train at base camp for 4 days, learn all the basic mountaineering, and then put it to practice in.
I think since it's my birthday, you guys should carry me up to Lobuche. Isn't it how it works?
Yeah.
Okay.
And seeing the Lobuche for the first time, knowing that Lobuche summit was approaching, it was such a high motivation.
My name is Vinayak. You can call me Vini. I'll be your guide and instructor for the 3 days, and we'll go to Lobuche together. Thing is a harness. We have harness. It's a different kind of harness. And
Total beginner.
beginner never use a crampon.
No, not use the crampons.
But I've done a snow doning. I've not used crampons or like any 8,000 meter stuff. But
Done a lot of 4,000, 5,000 meter treks, but never used crampons or boots. I've done a lot of bouldering and a bit of rock climbing. But
My unlock, there is a no screw gate on the carabiner. I'm sure some of you have a figure of 8. Yeah, some people call ascender or some people call zoomer. It doesn't matter. Same. Our brain tissue is damaged. Like it's got this recover, but our brain tissue doesn't recover. Okay, I'm going to give him oxygen in the professor. All gear, boot, helmet, crampon, and harness, everything. Yeah. Come on, guys, come on. Check this. Okay. Show it. It's perfect. Thank you. Well done.
You said perfect, did you?
Yeah, it's perfect. Who's next? Next anchor, just take it out one first. And lock it. Yeah. For safety. New floor.
Okay. More transfer.
Yeah.
I learned a lot though. I learned how to put my harness on properly. I learned all about the Juma.
what does the Juma do then? Tell us.
The Juma helps you go up the mountain.
Okay.
And then we had a lot of races to see who could put their kit on first. And he won.
You want the gear, right?
4 days have been fun, and now ready to climb Lobuche East Peak.
We learnt a lot. I learnt to trust the rope. That was the main thing for me. So yeah, I'm looking forward to climbing Lobuche. Fingers crossed we make the summit.
Just had a fantastic time. I love the base camp. Staff, everyone's been amazing. So supportive, just brilliant. Next step, get to the summit of Lobuche. If that all goes well, being with David there has recommended Manaslu, so next year come back and have a go at Manaslu.
Out here at Everest Base Camp, enjoying. It's an incredible place to be. I mean, the ice, the beautiful mornings, cold at night, stars. It's next level. The team at Elite, they do the best in the world. I really appreciate how much they've taught me and the incredible life they're allowing me to live.
Yeah. Good luck. See you in Everest next time. Yeah.
Nervous, excited, happy, cold.
All the emotions.
Yeah, mixed one, right?
Yeah.
I'm excited as well.
Exciting.
Kind of want to get this done.
Yeah. Were you sleeping?
Yes, and then
Namaste.
Namaste.
My name is Colin Fisher-Park. So tonight we are climbing together. Let's go. 11:30 or 11:45. We'll start trek from here.
It's so bad. I don't have a permit, so I'm going to bring my
I think I feel more like safe and really like highly motivated to do it. I clearly have a goal, and I know I'll try to go through it even if I'm a bit sick. But yeah, not nervous at all. Actually, really excited. Also excited to like get to the top and get down.
It's very cold.
It's a beautiful day though.
Very, very cold. Happy
But-
birthday.
Oh, happy birthday. Oh,
Happy
thank you, brother.
birthday.
Whoa. It's the best birthday I've ever had. I mean, look at this. It's fucking incredible. I'm blessed to be here, blessed to be alive, and I'm excited for a beautiful day.
I never expected it to be so difficult. It was just grit. One step at a time coming up there. It was like so difficult.
Reaching that summit and standing on the top of that mountain after a long, long climb throughout the night, it's certainly, it's a moment that I'll never forget.
Summit! How are you feeling?
Good. I'm happy. A bit scared for the descending, but
emotional.
Yeah, really emotional.
Really emotional?
It was the hardest thing I've ever done.
Well, I'm crying, but I made it. And happy. Beautiful view.
It's a lot harder than I thought it was going to be.
High five.
Yeah.
Oh, what an epic climb. I feel very proud, actually, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
It's going to be a nightmare going back. Probably take six hours to go back. But we've accomplished it and I'm super proud. Thanks, Elite.
I feel incredible. Look at this. It's like I'm on top of the world.
And happy birthday!
Oh, I am on top of the world. And it's my birthday. Y'all are too nice to me. Thank you, Vinan. I love Elite.
Being at the top of Lobuche, I think it's one of the best feelings in the world. You just feel a lot of joy, first of all, pride as well, and also I think relief, a lot of relief. It's really one of the best feelings.
As the climbers stand atop the summit of Lobuche, what was once just a dream has now become a reality. Each step, every ounce of effort, has brought them closer not just to the peak, but to the realization that anything is possible with the right mindset and preparation. These climbers are living proof that the journey to great heights begins with a single decision: to pursue a dream and see it through. The Bespoke Training Program is more than just a path to summiting mountains. It's the foundation for building confidence, resilience, and skill in the face of nature's greatest challenges. Designed for those just starting their mountaineering journey, it turns aspiration into achievement, guiding novices to their first summits and beyond. Achieve your new possible with Elite Exped.